It's easy to show patients a simulated outcome of their Invisalign treatment on the iTero intraoral scanner. Let's get started. Open the patient's page from the patient's icon on the home screen. Choose the patient from the list. Tap on the Invisalign Outcome Simulator button. You can make changes to the axis lines as needed. Tap Create Simulation. View the simulated outcome of the Invisalign treatment. Use the toolbar to change the view of the simulation. Adjust the outcome using the toolbar on the right side. The Invisalign Outcome Simulator is an effective tool for creating a wow experience for the patient and driving productive patient education discussions. When you are ready, you can share the simulation with your patient via email.